Welcome to the StatTree video module for the Summers D test. To test whether there is an association between two ordinal variables where one of the variables is assumed to be dependent on the other, similar to a simple linear regression, the Summers D test would be appropriate. The Summers D is similar to Kendall's TAW, but the variables may be asymmetric. You will need two ordinal variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, any two of the response options for the first question regarding favorite type of show would be appropriate for this test. For this demonstration, we will use drama and action. To run the Summers D test in VS Code, type in the following Julia code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you have already saved your code, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the Julia script, and double-click on the JL file. The script will appear in the top right pane. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Julia will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the relationship between drama and action movies. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the p-value significance figure and the sample size n. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with the reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.